reseeded the grass here. We added 5/8 gravel and made the slope shallower. There was a very steep hill here, so we built it up. We installed cedar, hemlock, and spruce for the fence with caps, and we matched the local style of fence so it blends in with the community. We put a farm style gate with a pull latch, string, and hardware. And then we stained the original fence over here. Instead of tearing it down because it was in such good shape, we just replaced all the caps and checked the framing and made any adjustments to the rails, top and bottom all the way. And so they're all stained. And we stained both sides with pecan. So it's a little closer to the original fence over here, so it matches a little bit. And we also, on the back side of the property, we cleared 4 feet of the vegetation. I don't know if you can see it. So that it won't be touching the fence. And then we brought in 5/8 gravel for the back, starting at the toe of the hill. So from the toe of the hill all the way across, we increased 6 inches of gravel to help with drainage, so that when it rains, the tenant doesn't have to walk in the mud. And we brought it up level with their existing concrete patio all the way around. And then we did a slight compaction with this little mini skid steer that we used to bring it in. Thank you for having us on your property.